Oh my god, hey guys, I am playing Lab Monkey. This is actually... This is actually my first time playing this. And it is so freaking scary. I'm in a lobby right now. But this is still my first time. Run! Run! I'm doing this, guys. I'm doing this all for you. Dude, it's... I'm doing this for you guys.
I already beat this game, Chat, we may be cooked.
Chat, we're cooked.
Yeah, chat, we may be cooked. I saw that.
There's a built-in camera.
Those are all of us in my life. Goodbye before I die.
Alright, I'm making a YouTube video right now, and you know what we have to do for the viewers? We gotta run for it.
Yeah, who knows where every single one is, please.
We gotta run for the viewers.
Take me. Wait.
She's above us. Alright, you know what? For you guys, I'm gonna go in.
Yes, I'm gonna be a pussy.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Alright, you know what? For you guys, I'm gonna run in.
I hate this game.
For you guys, this is... That was for you guys.
Oh, no.
Like, that was for you guys. Desperately, that was for you guys.
Oh my god, get down here.
Alright, this is for you guys.
Oh
my god!
Oh, what the heck?
God dang, bro. Well, I'm gonna go to the next one, and I don't know how to get back. How do I get back? I think I gotta restart my game, so I'm gonna cut when I get back. Alright, so I'm back, and now we're gonna go to the hospital. So let's go. Dude, this game is actually scary. Alrighty, it's over. Wait, what's my next stage? This really good. Oh,
I told you was up.
How do you think I do it? I heard a door.
Hello?
I don't know actually how I do it.
Go.
Down. What is the thing?
I'm going.
It's Pete.
Pizza Pete!
He's out.
Pizza Pete! Oh my god, what happened to him? Hey, I know how to perform CPR. Yeah. Clear!
Wait, you little bitch!
Clear! Hey, we gotta turn it up.
Hey, you can grab stuff. That's crazy.
Alright, well, this is for you. I'm done saying this is for you guys. I said it one too many times. What is that thing?
What's the thing, everybody?
What's the actual signal? Oh my god, TTT pig? TTT pig. Bro, get your beak out of my feet!
Guys, we need to save this guy, bro. Stay with us.
Stay with us!
And that's the Don't go.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do this now. I guess.
What? I wasn't right next to it, guys.
What the
Tony
hell?
touches the
Yo, make him go down. Make him down now.
Can't do anything.
Hey!
Go a second.
We're gonna be in sacrifice.
Now go.
All the way up. So our last one. I only have 100.
I'm missing one.
What do I do now?
You turn on the four generators. Bro, black.
Bro, what's behind that wall?
Need one more.
What is behind that wall?
Ready to get the one on the very top? Tell me where the rest
One
are.
right there. One above. Two in the middle.
Hold on.
Black.
Oh my
I dare
god.
you to touch the wall. I dare you to touch that wall right there.
Where am I supposed to go?
Shit.
What wall?
Alright, you know what? Chat, am I really about to do
What
this?
wall are you talking about?
Chat, am I really about to do this?
Yo, Black,
I'm about to
where
go
you at?
TTT pig
The
on this.
other wall.
Yo, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Bitch.
I turned on
Yo,
too.
you did it?
My
You
name is
got
Black
back?
Monkey.
I'm about to go TTT.
Yeah, my name is Black Monkey.
3, 2.
Anyway.
TTT pig style.
John Boyer.
Oh hell
I
no,
got
bro.
two. I got two. I need. How many?
Oh, hell no.
I only have one.
Hell no, man.
Coming,
you know
bro.
what? Yo, I'm going with blue. Frick. Yo, he's coming.
Can somebody help me get the?
Oh, you're there.
Get the generators.
Oh my god. Wait, how many generators is there? How many generators?
And there's one on the very top. What if you die? What happens if you die?
Alright, I'm gonna speedrun to when I find most of them. Alright, so this is taking way too long, so I'm gonna go onto the back rooms. Alright, and I'm back, and I have to pee very bad, so I'm gonna speedrun this. Oh my god! I'm gonna have to do it. What is that?
If an alarm went off, follow me. If an alarm went off, follow me. What? I just died. Yeah, you just killed him.
Bunny, bunny,
got
bunny.
black, I got
You're so
Get over.
bunny. What happens if you drop down in here?
He's coming back.
Hey, what happens if you drop? Dang, very anticlimactic. Bunny, bunny, bunny.
2 minutes.
You're so funny with your twitchy nose. What? Whoa, sweet papa papa. Let's go. Hey! 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 Oh my god, bro. Ain't no way we just did that. Run! Blue! Dude. Oh my god.
One more minute.
Wait, come on. We have to wait.
I come.
I come.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, who's saying that?
Very, very.
Hey, come and get me, you big fat ugly orange beast. Yeah, what you gonna do? Dang, that's what he's gonna do about it. My bad, bro. Didn't chill like that. Come on, dog. We can talk about it. Oh my god, what is that thing?
What?
Bunny, 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 you're so funny.
Bunny, 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 you're so funny.
with your twitching nose. Hey. Hey. Hey, what? Did you guys see how far he was from me? Bunny, 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 you're so funny. With your twitching nose. 50 likes and I'll do this all by myself. Dude. Alright, you know what? 100 likes for part 2.
No, come down there.